Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to this amazing Gemini Jets video. I've done some progress. Last time, well, at least like a few minutes ago, I was doing that other video about that Beyblading, about the battle. Yes. So, I got a little mixed up. So sorry about that. Yeah. Well, basically, I changed my mind. I actually changed my mind. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's do this. Okay, right over here in the every plane area. Yeah, which we can have every plane, which we can have any plane there. Yeah, but if there's one of the planes spots empty, and that's the same plane's area, then why not? It go over there. Okay, so let's get started. We have this SJL airliner. Yes. 737. This is heading over to... Yeah. Hold on. Okay, we have it's heading out to, let's just say New York. We have this Air Canada. This is also heading to Ottawa. This Air Canada. Yeah, that's a 737. I mean 777. This is Air Canada 777 to Vancouver, Southwest 737, and to Houston Hobby United 777 heading over to. It's heading over to. It is New York. Okay, let's head to the SJL airliner section. SJL airliner 737 heading over to Houston Hobby. This one's heading to New York, Houston Hobby. Yes. I'm doing a video.
I didn't know who you were talking to. Okay.
Yeah, let's head over to Building 3. Well, Building 4, because that's Building 1, Building 2, Building 3. Now we're at Building 4. Yes, we're at the Emirates section. Emirates A380. Heading over to. Heading over to. What is it? Italy. Yes, Italy. Yeah. Now let's head over here. Building 5. The American area. Hold on. I'm just gonna try to fix this. Okay. Yes, we have this American 777 heading over to New York. This one's heading to Charlotte. This one's heading to Charlotte. Yeah, that's a 777 also. We have this United that's heading over to Italy. It is a 747. United 777 heading over to Italy. This 777 United heading to Italy. And this one heading to New York. Now let's head over to the cargo area. We have this Worldwide Services, which basically is a UPS, heading over to let's say Orlando. This United States, this Air Force One's heading over to. Hold on. No. Okay, this is heading over. Yeah, it's 7:47. It's heading over to. Yeah, let me see. Let's see. What is it heading over to? Washington D.C. This one. This 7:47 is heading to Washington State. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. Yep. We also have this New York City over here. Yeah. So, but this is San Francisco International Airport. Yes. Thank you all for watching this great video. Look, my Empire State Building that my dad built. It's really good, huh? It's really good, right? Okay. Yeah, I like it. Look at this huge One World Trade Center. Yeah, it's humongous. It's so tall. Look at this small Chrysler building right over here. Oh my gosh, look at it. Yeah. So anywho, this is my New York, or should I say New York City? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, New York City. Yeah. Of course, this is actually the Grand Central Terminal right here. Movie theater. Okay. This is a subway station. Head down to the subway station. Okay, so thank you all for watching this Gemini Joseph video. And also, guess what? We have the Brooklyn Bridge right there, and that's Brooklyn. Yeah, so thank you all for watching.